Open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Remove the access panel.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
Unclip the housing panel.
For more information, check the description below the video.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing up. Reinstall the housing panel. Reinstall the panel. Close the hood.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.